I can't be walking around like this, dry, edges all caked up with gel. It's time to get it together. All right, you guys, so this is what my hair is giving, freshly washed. But honestly, I'm going to go right into it just like this. I will make sure to have all of the products that I'm using in the description box, by the way. And I'm going to do my braids that I always do, just because it's a style that I know that my hair really thrives in, and because I can wear it for like about a week and a half on good, times. So with today's hairstyle, I'm really going to focus on making everything really neat, because I feel like that helps to increase the longevity of this style, even though it may take a little bit longer and take more patience. Ooh, dripping everywhere, honey. All right, so we have officially finished the back. It's time to get into the front. And the front is usually a lot easier than the back to do, just because it's in the front and I can see. So I'm gonna part it down the middle and pick a side to start on and just go at it, to be honest. But we're making progress, y'all. You see it. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love a fresh style, especially this one, because it looks super duper clean and it lasts for like a really good, nice while. I do usually wrap my hair with a satin bandana right after I actually finish doing my hair, but I have some things that I have to get into for today, errands, all that good stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Have a good one.